Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be refreshing my fridge and showing you quick and easy ways to organize it. If you guys do enjoy today's video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you do so before the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it, guys. Before we jump into organizing, I'm going to show you guys what our refrigerator looked like before. And as you can see, it is very, very empty. And that is just because I had my kids go through the fridge and just empty out all of our old leftovers and just anything outdated and just get rid of it before I jump into this video. And so there is just a little bit left that I need to clear out and before I start cleaning everything down. So the first thing you want to do is empty your fridge out. And like I said before, we had already went through everything and got all the old stuff out. But as you are pulling things out of your fridge, you want to be checking the dates and making sure nothing is outdated. And if it is, you can just pull it into the trash can right away instead of pulling everything out and having to sort through it later. Just do it as you go. Now that everything is cleared out, you just want to wipe everything down, making sure that if anything's spilled in there or you have any crumbs in there, it is all cleaned out before you start restocking. Now I'm just doing a light cleaning because I recently did a deep clean in my fridge, but if you guys need some deep clean motivation, I will put a link in the description for my very first video that is actually a deep clean of my refrigerator. Now that it's all clean, it is time for some prepping. I know in my house personally, if I wash all of the vegetables and fruit in my fridge and get them all ready, it is more likely that everybody in the house will grab them and eat them. A lot of times, if they don't see them or they are not ready to be eaten, they sit in the fridge and just go bad. So even though this takes me a little bit more time in prepping them, it saves a lot of waste in my house.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you.
No matter where I look, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is, I'm always seeing people sticking their vegetables in mason jars full of water. So I thought during this fridge organization, I'd actually give it a try with a couple different vegetables and see if it actually keeps it fresher longer or not. I will definitely keep you guys posted and let you know if this is something you should try in your fridge as well.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll.
Now it is time to slap some labels on all of these containers. I absolutely love this font that I found on CRICUT, and I will let you guys know what it's called down below in the description box. But I'm going to finish putting all of the little labels on all of these signs before I jump into getting all this stuff put back into the fridge. Now it is time to grab everything you just did and start restocking your fridge. It might take you a couple of tries. I know it took me about 3 or 4 tries just to figure out how exactly I wanted my fridge to be organized, just because I want it to be functional as well as aesthetically pleasing when I go into the fridge. So I just wanted something, again, really first and foremost that was functional for our family. Now it is time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Just taking one final look at my refrigerator, I am loving every bit of it. It looks so great now that it's organized, and it's very accessible to everybody in the household. And then as you can see, I left that middle drawer pretty empty just so I can put leftovers or meal prep and have room for that in the fridge as well. I just want to thank everybody who stuck around throughout this whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have yet to join the family. I just want to thank you guys and have a wonderful day.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.